So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to delete search history on TikTok. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. So this is your home page. In the screen, you can simply see search button on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it and you can click on search. You can search anything, like I am searching black kurti. So this is set on your search button, so you can simply click on cross button here, so your search history will be deleted permanently. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.